My name is Rodrigo Fritis. I'm the CEO of NISO. NISO is an outsourced CFO company. We provide services basically in the US and some countries abroad. And our main focus is the MCA industry, which is a financial services industry. Besides the CEO role, I do play a role with respect of the commercial aspects of the company. And when dealing with prospective clients, I'm very focused on overseeing which are going to be the challenges we're going to face when integrating their data to our systems. So when we started with this company, we realized that our main goal was to have a variety of sources of data because we wanted to be able to paint a broad picture on the financial aspects of the company, but with a focus on all of the different operational sources of information. And for that, we needed a way to consolidate information from various data sources and integrate them with also various systems. We do not develop systems per se. We take systems that are available in the market, but we provide a whole solution with them. And for that, we need to be able to have sources of integration and also data extraction. And we felt that Skyvia, and that was many years ago, filled that gap very, very precisely. The team that most uses Skyvia is, of course, the IT team. Engineers there use it daily for our integration needs. However, because of the ease of use of the interface, some support personnel also uses it to extract information from cloud-based providers such as Box. So we integrate documentation needs with the use of Skyvia, and that's done by just support personnel. The main challenge was that since we were a cloud-based company, we knew that we were going to have a variety of needs of integration between not only our cloud-based systems, but also systems from our customers that more and more are cloud-based as well. We really started using Skyvia very, very contemporaneously to NISO when we started doing NISO, because we always thought about a company that was completely cloud-based. And that niche was filled by Skyvia immediately. We had a lot of necessities regarding SQL servers or MySQL services. And when integrated with different products, they all have their own specific development for that regard. But again, when we decided that we needed to be able to connect to various data sources, and since we were cloud-based, then Skyvia was a perfect solution. The first feature I would say is the user interface. It's very easy to use, and that helped our IT team to move on with big projects very fast. But also, together with that, is the variety of sources of integration that Skyvia provides. We could easily solve all of our integration issues at that moment.